Good morning students. So students, today let us learn a new story and the story name is Goldilocks. Page number 60. All of you open page number 60 from your Rise and Shine textbook. The story name is Goldilocks. Deep in the forest there lived a bear family. Deep in the forest there were living a bear family. A big daddy bear, a medium-sized mama bear and a small little baby bear who used to live three bears, and this is family. One is daddy bear, big daddy bear, medium-sized mama bear and a small baby bear. Yes, you can see a daddy bear, mama bear and a baby bear. One day mother bear made porridge for breakfast. One day mother bear made porridge for breakfast. See here, mother bear is cooking, right? She is making a sweet porridge. Porridge is a dish. And poured it in three different size bowls. You can see a big bowl, medium size bowl and a small bowl. This is of Papa bear, this is of Mama bear and this is of baby bear. While the porridge cooled, the three bears went out for a walk in the woods. While the porridge cooled means it becomes little cold, till then they went to walk in the woods. Okay. While they were gone, a little girl called Goldilocks. While they went for walk, a girl called Goldilocks. You're having names lovely, right? All students are having lovely names, sweet names. Like that only the girl name is Goldilocks. Knock on the door. When nobody answered, she went inside the house. She knocked at door. Knock means doing tuck. When nobody opened the door, she went inside the house of the three bears. She saw the three bowls of porridge on the table. She saw how many bowls? 3 bowls on the table. One of Papa bear, one of Mama bear and another one of baby bear. Yes, she was very hungry. She was feeling very hungry. If you're hungry, you'll tell your mama to give food, right? Even Goldilocks was very hungry. So she saw 3 bowls on the table. She tasted all 3 bowls, but baby bear's porridge was just right and she ate it all. She tasted all the 3 bowls. Papa's bear, Mama's bear and a baby's bear. She tasted 3, but right beside her there was a baby bowl. So she ate it all. Baby's bear porridge, she ate it all. She looked around and saw 3 chairs. She looked here and there and saw 3 chairs. How many chairs? 3 chairs. Whose 3 chairs are this? This is of Papa's bear, Mama's bear and a baby bear. Okay. She sat in the big chair. Of Papa's bear. But it was too hard. Yes, you can see the chair here. Yes, it's looking hard, right? Yes, because no cushion was there. It was too hard. She said, ouch. Then she sat in the middle-sized chair. Middle-sized chair is of Mama's bear. It was too soft. Plop. She then sat in the tiny chair. She then sat on a tiny chair. It was of, baby bear, right? It was just right. To her. But suddenly the chair broke and Goldilocks fell to the floor. Suddenly the chair broke. You can see her down. Yes, it broke and the Goldilocks fell to the floor. Next, she went into the room and found 3 beds. She went into the room and find how many beds? 3 beds. One was of Papa bear, another was of Mama bear and third was of baby bear. 3 beds she found. Okay. She climbed daddy bear's bed. It was too hard. She climbed daddy's bear bed. It was too hard. She climbed Mama bear beds. It was too soft. She climbed it, but it was too soft. Papa's bear bed was hard and Mama's bear bed was soft. She then tried the baby bear bed. It was just right and she soon fell asleep. Okay, it was perfect to her. She slept. When the bears came home, they found the door open. When the bears came home, after walking, when they came home, they saw that the door was open. They came in. They came inside. Okay. Someone has eaten my porridge. Someone has eaten my porridge. Whose porridge has been eaten by that girl? Papa bear, mama bear, or a baby bear? Yes, baby bear, right? And broken my chair too. Whose chair she had broken? Baby's bear. See here, now he is crying. The baby bear is crying because that girl has finished the porridge of baby bear and she have broke the chair of a baby bear. So the baby bear is crying in front of mama and papa. When someone takes your things, right? If your cousins or siblings are taking your things, you'll cry, right? They took. Yes, you'll cry. Like that way only the baby bear is crying. Then they went into their rooms. Someone is still sleeping in my bed. Someone is still sleeping in my bed. Who is telling here? The baby bear is telling to their mama, to his mama and papa, that someone is still sleeping in my bed. Cried the baby bear. Here the baby bear is crying. Goldilocks just woke up. Screamed in fear and ran out of the house. She screamed in fear. Fear means done. Okay, and ran out of the house into the woods. She ran out of the house into the woods. We won't harm you. Here the baby bears are telling, we won't harm you. Please be quiet. We won't harm you. Screamed Mummy Bear. But Goldilocks did not stop and never came back. So she went away and never came back. Okay, students? I think, students, you all understood the story Goldilocks. Okay, please go through the story. Thank you. Bye-bye.